my friend, how are you? I hope you are doing well. It's me again, Chef Obang. Today I'm gonna have Filipino street foods. I'm hungry and let's get started. Zombie mode. In the bowl, combine the half cup of flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, half spoon of baking powder, 1 spoon of sugar, salt, pepper, onion, garlic, bell pepper, spring onion, carrots, 1/4 cup of water. Mix. Add more water if needed. I separate into 2 bowls. Add your crab stick, tuna, mix, set aside for a while. I have here some quail eggs, 1/2 cup of flour, 1.5 spoon of cornstarch, salt, pepper. Koreans don't use food color, and I didn't see any in the market, so I'm gonna use kimchi juice to make it color orange. Set aside for a while. I'm gonna show you how to stuff the siomai mixture into the siomai wrapper. Position your fingers like this. Put the wrapper, add the stuff in the middle, press down, fold like this. Ta-da! Here! I also have here my homemade dynamites, cheese sticks, tofu, and chicken hot dogs. When the butter starts floating, starts frying. And cook until golden brown. The same that I did to my crab balls. I'm gonna start frying my siomai. I'm gonna fry the cheese sticks, dynamites, tofu. Before frying the kwek kwek, coat in the cornstarch first. Coat and fry. For the sauce, combine the 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, onion, garlic, and chili, 1 spoon of soy sauce, half spoon of chili flakes, optional, half spoon of cornstarch, mix, and let it simmer. Everything is done. I'm just gonna do the plating, and to my friends, let's eat! I'm gonna start. My shout out will be later towards the end of my video. I'm very hungry. Crabball. Fishball. I have your ketchup, cheese sticks. I bought the soft tofu, but I made my own Taho syrup. It's very easy, just 1/2 cup of sugar and then small amount of water, then let it simmer. That's it. Cucumber. Dynamite, I put some ground pork and cheese inside. Ketchup. Mm. Mm. Fried siomai. I don't have chili garlic sauce. I can make, but I'm so tired already. Mm. Mm. Fried tofu. When I was in the Philippines, I don't usually eat street food since I learned about contamination and cross-contamination in my culinary days. I have a friend, she got a liver disease after eating street foods for almost every day. Of course, I'm scared. Feeling mango with bagoong. Not bad. Why I dip it here? I lost all my energy while preparing and cooking. Spicy. My Crabball and Fishball is special. Every time you do something for yourself, always make it special. I read some of the comments. They asked me if I work out after doing mukbang. Definitely yes. After eating all of this, while I'm still full, I'm gonna clean our house slowly and I'm gonna go out to run for 5 kilometers. Because if you want to be a mukbanger, you need to have a self-discipline. These all are my whole day meal. And then if I don't have film, I don't eat a lot. Hot. Feeling mango and bagoong. Peach tastes like apple mango, mango apple. Apple mango. I'm sure apple mango. Mango apple. Mango apple. Mango apple eh. Taho! Taho! I'm full. I'm gonna eat this again later. I'm gonna shout out, a special shout out to Azinet Hacosta. Thank you so much, ma'am, for watching. I just read your comment last night. Ani Cagas from Misamis Oriental. Eleanor Anyuki Pisado. Dangdang Yuki. Love ka ni Tita Obang. From Caloocan City. Damaso Ramos from Cebu City. Bitaw yung sidigong kahit na mga ulo. Taga Davao City di ako. Oko Eats. Sheva Channel. Very nice content. Please visit and give some love. Sis, Inday Marikate from Digo City. Hi sis, thank you for watching. She also have a channel, Bisaya Tabay Mukbang. They are also doing mukbang. They're from Bohol, if I am not mistaken. Sir and Sisi, let's support Filipino mukbangers. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!